Well guys, it's July. I haven't been out brook trout fishing at all this spring. I never made it. I'm out here today. I'm on holidays. You know, it's going to be 30 degrees out today. Water's 74 right now. And I'm going to see what I can do out here. I know this lake has produced for me before, and let's see if I still got the touch of getting these fish. Well guys, this is what I'm running. This is my lake troll. I'm using the chartreuse screen with the trout pattern. Well guys, I'm out brook trout fishing. First time this year. Never made it out in the spring. It's July now. And I'm on holidays. Hooked into a nice one. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice thick fish. There's a nice thick one. There we go. First brook trout, guys. On the lake troll. On the lake troll with a worm. Does the trick. I haven't even been out here 5 minutes yet, and I landed a nice one. Nice thick fish, as you can see, using the green or the chartreuse green bead troll with a worm. And it's doing the trick, guys. Another fish on. Trying to keep him on. Staying down. Nice size. Oh boy, he's a big one. Oh. There we go. Another nice fish. Another nice brookie. Just hooked into another nice one, guys. Let's see if we can land this one. Staying down. Oh, staying down. Staying down there. She's got a nice one. Oh yeah, a nice size one. Oh, oh, look at the size of that. Nice thick fish. Oh. Oh, he's thick. There we go. Another nice brookie. Look at that. That's 3. I landed 3 today. Probably a 16-inch fish, 17.